Hey everyone, learn how to set up and enjoy your Crossley record player with this easy step by step guide, perfect for music lovers looking to dive into the timeless charm of vinyl records. Step 1, unbox the player. Check the package, throw and confirm you have the following items: turntable unit, 45 RPM adapter, power adapter. Keep the original packaging for potential exchange or return. Step 2, initial setup. Put the turntable on a flat, level and stable surface free from vibrations. Remove any tie wraps or clips holding the turn arm in place. Lay the slip mat on top of the turntable platter. Connect the AC power adapter to the power jack on the unit. Do not plug the adapter into the wall outlet until assembly is complete and connections are verified. Always turn off the power before connecting or disconnecting cables. Step 3, connecting to external audio. It is optional. RCA jacks. Connect the red plug to the right channel and white plug to the left channel of your powered speakers or stereo system. Here is the note: do not connect RCA jacks directly to passive or unpowered speakers as volume will be very slow. AUX input: connect a 3.5 mm auxiliary cable from your audio device to the aux in jack to play external audio through the turntable speaker. Aux input overrides the turntable function. Unplug the cable to resume vinyl playback. Step 4, overrating the turntable. Rotate the on or off volume knob clockwise to turn on the unit and adjust volume. Use the speed switch to select the correct speed for your record: 33 1 by 3, 45 or 78 RPM. Place your vinyl record on the platter. Use the 45 RPM adapter if playing a 45 RPM single. Remove the stylus protector from the needle assembly. Keep the stylus guard on when moving or clearing the turntable to avoid damage. Unlock the turn arm. Hold down clip to free the turn arm. Use the turn arm lever to lift the turn arm. Gently move the turn arm over the desired starting groove of the record. Lower the turn arm lever slowly to let the needle descend onto the record and start playback. The platter spins at the selected speed. If the auto stop switch is on, the platter will stop automatically at the end of the record. If playback stops prematurely, try switching auto stop off. Lift the turn arm using the turn arm lever. Return the turn arm to its rest position. Lock the turn arm. Hold clip to secure it. Step 5, additional controls. Bluetooth mode if available. Switch the Bluetooth toggle to Bluetooth mode. Pair your device named Crossley CR8005D to stream music wirelessly. Step 6, needle replacement. Removing needle, gently pull down the front edge of the needle. Pull needle forward and remove. Installing needle. Position needle tip facing down. Align the back of the needle with the cartridge. Insert needle at a downward angle, then lift front end until it snaps in place. Maintenance tips: avoid touching the stylus tip. Clean the stylus with a soft brush, moving back to front. Clean records with a record brush and cleaning solution. Wipe the turntable lid and cabinet with a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals like alcohol or benzene on the finish. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.